Hello, everyone. Glad to see some familiar faces. My name is Shonda Banks, and I'll start off with the three assets that I bring to this class. The first would be my experience working in case management. I feel like that gives me an opportunity to work with a variety of people and to also broaden my knowledge of different resources available here in my city, and as well as sometimes other cities, because some people come from other cities as well and want to move back to their city. So sometimes, I do research on different resources in other cities as well. The second assets I feel that I bring is working with diverse populations of people. I currently work at a behavioral health hospital, and I work with a wide range of different um, uh, um, range of people that range from different socioeconomical background, different races, cultures, and things like that. The third asset I feel that I bring to the class would be already knowledge that I have from my undergrad teachings, as well as the my grad teachings that I've learned so far in the MSW program. The way I feel that these assets could help myself as well as my classmates learn would be taking my own ideals and combining them with the ideas of my classmates and building on their already knowledge as well as my already knowledge, and to get a broader knowledge of whatever subject we happen to be working on. I want to wish everyone the best of luck with this course, and thank you.